I've created these whiteboard animation videos using 3 different tools, and in this video, we're going to break down what each one has to offer. We've rated them based on available templates, hand animation options, AI features, and how beginner-friendly each tool really is. So if you're thinking about creating an engaging whiteboard animation to explain ideas clearly, this video is for you. You'll find all the discount links down in the description. So let's get started with the first pick, Animaker. This is the dashboard. It looks well organized and pretty easy to navigate. With Animaker, you can create animated videos from scratch, generate AI voiceovers, and even add subtitles, all within the same tool. To start off, let's check out the variety of templates it offers. And here they are. There's quite a lot to choose from. Some are designed for product explainers, others for showcasing services, and some are just general-purpose templates. If you click the Use button on any template, it takes you straight into the editor where you can fully customize the content and add your own touch. Now, this particular video isn't in the whiteboard animation style yet, so let's adjust that. The style settings are in the top left corner. And here it is, Whiteboard Animation. Let's select that. To give it that classic whiteboard look, I also changed the background color to white. Then, I replaced the previous character and also added an animation to bring more life to the scene. Next, I switched the font to something that looks more handwritten, added a transition, and moved on to the other scenes. I followed the same process for the rest of the video. If you're not sure how to add the animated hand, just click on the object you want to animate, go to the animation settings, and select the handwriting animation. You can also adjust how long the animation lasts by tweaking the duration in the timeline. Besides the handwriting animation, I also added a hand-pointing animation in a few scenes. I also wanted to use some custom graphics that matched the whiteboard style, so I downloaded a few from Google. You can upload your own visuals easily by heading over to the Upload section. Once I finished setting up the scenes, I explored the background section. There were plenty of options that fit the whiteboard aesthetic, so I picked one for each scene that felt like the best match. They also offer free stock images and videos, which is great. I checked out the music section too. There are 2 categories, free music and premium. The free library had a decent variety, and I ended up replacing the current track in the video with something that fit better. And that's it, the video is ready. You can export it either as a regular video or as a GIF. There's also an option to share it directly to different platforms. However, in the free version, you can only export in 720p. Higher resolutions require a paid plan. Also, the export format is limited to MP4 only, which might be a drawback for some users. So if you're planning to use it seriously, then upgrading to a paid plan is a smart choice. The pricing starts at $15 a month, and the Pro plan goes up to $43 a month. Overall, this tool offers a wide range of templates. If you choose the right ones and spend about 30 minutes working on your video, you can definitely end up with something polished. Scene-to-scene editing was smooth, and there's a good variety of character animation styles to choose from. The next tool in the lineup is Renderforest. I'm heading over to their website and logging into my account. This is the main interface. It looks smooth and fairly intuitive. Next, I'll go to the video section to find the tool we're testing. Here it is, the whiteboard animation tool. Let's click on it. The preview shows it offers around 1,500 scenes in 2 styles, board drawn and cut paper. For this review, I'm going with the board drawn style. You can also choose the aspect ratio here, depending on the format you need. Now, let's click the Create Now button and get started. Now we get 2 options to start with. One is to create everything manually, and the other is to use AI. The manual option gives you a wide selection of scene templates. You simply choose each scene and customize it to your liking. But for this test, I want to try out the AI feature since it's much quicker. So let's go with that. I'm creating a video about plastic recycling and how it benefits the Earth. Surprisingly, it only took a second to load the editing interface, and within another second, the entire video was rendered and ready to go. If you want to replace any visuals, it's really simple. Just click on the scene you want to change. I swapped out the visuals in about 3 scenes, and it was super fast and smooth. I also added some background music to make the video more engaging. Their music library was actually pretty impressive. There's a good variety of genres, and the best part is that everything is free to use. If you want to edit the text, just click on it from the timeline, and you can tweak it however you like. But keep in mind that you can't change the font unless you upgrade to their premium plan. You'll also see the voice name listed in the text sidebar. If you click on it, you can choose from different voice options. Some are locked behind the premium plan, but there are a few free ones available too. I even changed the main color theme of the video just to see how fast it would update, and honestly, it changed instantly. And that's it. The video was ready. You can export it for free, but for HD quality, you'll need to upgrade to a premium plan. The Lite plan costs $14 a month, and the Pro plan is $39 a month. If you pay annually, the Lite plan comes down to just $9 a month. Overall, the tool felt pretty seamless. It took me about 20 minutes to explore all the features and complete the video. Feature-wise, it offers a lot. Plenty of templates, solid editing tools, decent free voice options, music, and sound effects. Basically, everything you need to make a good quality video. The AI was also surprisingly fast when it came to rendering, and the built-in graphics and styles made the overall process smoother compared to Animaker, where I had to upload my own visuals manually. Now let's move on to our final pick, Mango Animate. Unlike the other two tools, this one isn't web-based. You'll need to download the application to use it. Just head over to their website and click on the download button. Once it's installed and you've logged in, this is the interface you'll see. Mango Animate offers a range of templates you can use to get your project going, or you can choose to start completely from scratch. For this review, I'll be checking out all the features using one of their templates. Here's how it works. On the right sidebar, you can adjust the size, position, and animations of different objects. There are also plenty of sound effects available, along with shapes and stickers. If you want to edit or add anything, just double-click on the object. It's that simple. I wanted to try adding text, so I went to the right toolbar and selected New Text from there. Once I was done, I played the video, and the whiteboard hand animation was already perfectly synced with it. No additional settings were needed. If you want to upload your own background music or even a voiceover, just head over to the sound section where you can easily upload your files. I added a different instrumental track to make the video sound better. However, unlike Animaker and Renderforest, this tool doesn't come with built-in graphics, not even for characters. So if you need specific visuals, you'll have to create them separately or download them from different platforms and then upload them manually. That adds a bit more effort to the process. That said, the tool itself is pretty solid. To download your final video, just click the Publish button. The free version only allows downloads in 576p, and higher quality options are only available with the Pro version. As for pricing, it's a one-time payment of $59, which gives you lifetime access. That makes it a great option in terms of long-term value. Despite the limitations, Mango Animate is quite capable. If you're looking to learn animation and want more control over every detail, this tool can really help you level up. The pre-built templates are also useful if you just want to make quick tweaks. Now, for my final takeaway, out of the 3 tools, I found Animaker the most impressive. It offered the most free features and had a much wider range of templates compared to the others. Renderforest was also a strong contender. It's quick and easy to use, but the limitations in the free plan make it less ideal for users who just want to try out a single video or don't plan to use it regularly. Mango Animate is a solid option if you prefer full creative control and want to animate everything manually. But for complete beginners, it might feel a bit confusing at first, but it can take things to the next level once you figure everything out. You'll find all the discount links to the tools I used down in the description. And if you're interested in making whiteboard animations inside Canva, watch this video next.